berry, which is, it's not blackberry though, not brombeeren.
We have kiwis, we have this thing, we have this bread.
We have chai.
Chai,
This
tell me
bread, I really
perfect
love
doing
this
chai
bread.
now.
I really love this bread.
Really? What should I eat it with? Eggs?
Anything. Yeah, you can put like cream cheese and jam. That's fish, baby.
Have this cheese.
You're free to choose the option.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Barbara, the cameraman. Now we're gonna eat and go to the beach today.
We're going to the beach.
We're gonna go to the beach for the first time after 3 days here. Yay!
No, 2 days.
2 days here.
Right? 2?
Yeah. I don't know at this
No,
point.
this is the 3rd day, right? Yeah, this is the 3rd day.
I mean,
For us, it's the second.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going. See you.
The weather forecast say that today is gonna rain.
No.
It won't.
No, it won't rain. It's just cloudy.
Before we left Aachen, it said it was gonna rain today. And it said
Exactly.
it was gonna rain yesterday. So
Exactly. But
We
it
don't
wasn't
know.
rain yesterday.
yeah, but I mean, technically the weather forecast said
it's
it's
shit.
gonna rain at every point of this week.
So we don't mind anything.
So we don't know. We don't know what's gonna happen.
We don't know.
Is it gonna rain today?
I think the weather forecast in
don't
Europe
know.
is more precise.
I feel like they're just
Anyway.
guessing as much as we are.
Exactly. But let's go. What are we doing, guys? So me and Mai is at the Blue Lagoon. Annika is swimming. This is very pretty, but the beaches are not sand. They are like with rocks. Yeah, and it hurts. Nah, it's kind of like massaging, but like it's so hard to walk on because we don't have any shoes. But yeah, it's very pretty. And it's sunny.
A very fun kayaking moment.
Exactly. A kayaking moment was very great.
Kayaking.
kayaking, yeah. And that was like upper body workout for us. And we have to figure out how to get back, which is gonna be a fun time. We saw one German, you know. Yeah, that German. Yes. Me and my after kayaking. Finally. Food. I got like kind of grushi's Turkish toast, and I got some wraps. I think the next day, where are we going?
Boat trip, boat tour, boat islands. Swim.
Yo, we're going actually on a parrot trip. That's crazy. Okay, we're going on a parrot trip. A pirate ship?
I thought parrots.
No,
Papagei?
pirate ship.
Okay, I
Pirate.
see. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. We're eating! Yay! Let's get some food! Yay! We are done with the boat tour! Yay! Put review.
Review.
Yeah.
Water is a solid 10 out of 10. Nas is a 10 out of 10. Food
Oh.
was really good as well.
Okay.
Also, the jumping was nice.
Yo, it's so cool. We jumped like so many times. Yes. My god, my god.
Guys, I would rather eat it with salt, only salt, or I would do it with ketchup. I would do ketchup and actually, there's granite apple syrup there.
Oh, I love that one. Teşekkürler.
Thank you.
What do you mean I don't want to try it?
Yeah, mix it. Like,
No, just eat the mayonnaise first, and then try the corn after, like separately.
yeah. Like, you know, like the sauce. Like, yeah, it's good.
It's the best thing ever.
Best thing ever.
Yeah. You're not giving it enough credit.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Fuck this. Give the corn to Duru, please. We're gonna pretend Duru is gonna eat this for the first time.
Okay.
Duru, what do you think?
What? Nice. I'm not exaggerating.
Satisfied?
Not, this is your first time eating it.
It's Carolina. Oh my god, what is this? This is the best thing in Turkey.
Okay, this is the most important review for me right now. Come on.
Wait.
Wait. Anika? Wait. Anika, what do you think?
Second try. It tastes like corn with ketchup and mayo.
Tomatoes don't have any taste.
No, it's
And I'm
really good.
leaving the video now.
I like ketchup and I like mayo and corn.
Check this out.
No. Check out the cars that are gonna come by.
Yeah.
Just to show you guys how fast we're going right now.
This is so fast. Oh my god, if we would have walked.
It literally looks like we're stopping in a second. Wait, it's basically walking.
Great. Where are we gonna arrive home safely? Yeah, hopefully, yeah. How is it going to in the pool at almost 10 p.m.?
We were just discussing how powerful our minds are, because actually we're just able to manipulate ourselves into thinking we're not cold.
Wow.
And I feel like I'm superior in that way over the people in there. Just saying.
Okay, there's people in here. Say hi to the camera. Okay, the other say hi. You guys are very strong. We're in the hot tub. Yay. The gang together. What again?
I love truffles.
Hello. No, I don't want to talk to the vlog. The vlog does. No, okay, look, I got the iPhone 12 Pro. Stop.